the shoulders of these giants, you should see the view. Incredible to say the least, looking from the outside of this womb. I did cross the barrier in hope that I may just find you. Hold on, I've just departed now, I'll arrive there soon. I sailed the 7 seas on my own, it took all day, all night. I've climbed the steepest mountains now, they brought me to the light. I think I finally found my place of refuge, I have here all I need. Lifetime with infinity, yeah, here I feel so free. And are you just a lump of rock floating out in space, looking for a place to call your home? Will there come a day when you will leave without a trace? I see fingerprints, a billion generations all embedded in your skin. They're gonna yet they know just what to do. I know someday I'll join it all, the network that's within. See those fingerprints, I see fingerprints in you. So many magic tricks and brilliant visions, you put on quite a show. So many variations, forms and colors, infinitely more. From black to white, both day and night, oh, it's all here, from beauty to the beast. This massive giant puzzle that you made to share, it all gets piece by piece. And are you just a lump of rock floating out in space, looking for a place to call your home? Will there come a day when you will leave without a trace? I see fingerprints, I see fingerprints. Someday I'll join it all, the network that's within. See those fingers